Back in 2016, when I started my social media agency, I ended up growing it to 100 clients in the first year. And I give a lot of credit to landing one account and leveraging that one account. And that one account was a big shawarma chain called Osmos. Now, when I started with Osmos back in 2016, they had 22 locations. And by the time we were done working with them, 2 years later, they were at 55 franchises. Now they're pretty much a household name throughout Canada. But when they left us back in 2018, I give a lot of that credit to the simple fact that we did a great job with their social media, enough so that they outgrew us. And when they left us because we could not get them the Toronto Raptors, we could not get them the Canadian national soccer team, and we could not get them Lamborghinis, right? We were a small boutique agency at the time, and they were looking for something more. But for us, it was a great experience, a great opportunity. They gave us a letter of recommendation, and it really showed us what we want to aspire to become, and being that bigger agency, which we are today, much bigger today than we were back in 2016. But I give full credit to the shawarma chain Osmos. So what I want to do in this episode is, not only am I going to go grab a bite to eat at Osmos, but I'm going to audit their online presence to see what's up. And knowing Osmos, knowing the business owners of the business, I'm pretty confident they're gonna have a pretty awesome presence that will be inspiration, hopefully, for you and for myself as well. So let's dive in. All right, first and foremost, I am back at my desk here, and I got my Osmos here with me. And you know what I love? Like, this is the care that Osmos puts into their product. It says here on the bag, handwritten. I'm pretty sure it's yeah, that's handwritten. Thank you for ordering from Osmos. Enjoy your meal. Smiley face. Smiley face. See that? Smiley face. They hand wrote that on the bag, and all I ordered was a chicken on the rocks. All right. And so, first of all, that's fantastic. And knowing the owners at Osmos, they put TLC into everything they do at Osmos. Let's dive in to see what they're doing online. I'm sure it's nothing short of fantastic. So let's go in. I think Osmos Instagram is their bread and butter. This is their platform. This is where they have loyal followers. Even back in 2016 to 19, when I was working on the account, one thing I noticed is when you post something and ask for comments, you always got a flurry of comments. They have a very loyal consumer base, very loyal fan base that just love everything about Osmos, and nothing has changed there. 54,000 followers. But what I love that they're doing is this content. They have these different episodes that are happening, which is engaging the audience. Let's just watch one here.
The big day today, the idea day, the menu items.
I was asked to pitch another viral video. So I told Habibi that the team should come up with a viral menu item that I can make a video for. Work smart, not hard.
You ever wanted to set the mood with a special someone? Well, now you can. Osmos Candle.
Greek yogurt garlic sauce. Chicken shawarma dumpling.
Chicken on the rocks, but we give them actual rocks.
Habibi?
Osmos cologne. Is there any point in continuing this meeting? 3 slam dunks.
Thank you, JJ. This was a nice try. Okay, who's next? Yusuf, you ready?
Yeah. Well, I have idea with the shawarma.
Do you not prepare?
No, I'm well prepared. Just a second. Shawarma Doritos.
You mean like shawarma on Doritos?
Yes.
That's actually genius.
This is the one.
Yes.
Yes. I like it.
Yeah, me too.
Now we have a new menu item. The big day.
I absolutely love that video. But what I love more about the video itself and the content and the way it engages the audience is how they dripped it in. Whether this is by design or not, I really do love this. And let me explain. So as you can see here, they actually ran 5 different episodes periodically over the last month or so. Episode 1, episode 2, episode 3, 4, 5. But I know by looking at the Facebook ads that they're running and the promotions and campaigns that they're running, they're really pushing the Doritos Shawarma, which is a hot item. It's a new menu item for Osmos, and they're pushing it hard. But they didn't drop it on the audience in episode 1. At least when I looked at it, that was not the focal point, which is great because you gravitate people, you pull them in with each episode. And then once you have their engaged attention, then you drop the actual promotion on them. You drop the product on them at that point. I thought that's a brilliant strategy. Now, I'm not sure how they're leveraging their paid advertising, but if it was me running a campaign on the paid side, I would be dropping an ad, getting as many video views as possible at a cheap cost on episode 1. And then once you have somebody watch 50% of episode 1, only then would they see an ad for episode 2, 3, then 4, then 5. Right now, you'll have a person super engaged by the time they get to video 5 if they watched at least 50% of the first 4 videos, and guaranteed you're going to get a lot more engagement at that point when you get to that 5th video. If you know everybody that has watched that 5th video has watched the first 4 episodes. So I love how they're using that sequence of creating episodes. I think this is a model for many other brands out there, be it food brands or e-commerce product, creating a sort of a journey that people can go down and a story that they can follow along. And really, this kind of content separates itself from all the AI crap and noise that's going out there right now. I think Osmos hit the nail on the head with this campaign. Now, if I saw that campaign prior to going to Osmos today, there's a good chance I would have got the Doritos Shawarma, but I got my go-to chicken on the rocks. Love Osmos, great brand, great ownership. It's a great franchise, and I think they're doing a fantastic job on social. Hopefully you found value out of this video today. If you did, make sure you give a like, share, subscribe, leave a comment below. Until next time, we'll see you soon.